everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making some necklace extenders. Okay, so there's a bit of a story behind this. I wanted to have some necklace extenders and I thought I was getting some, but what I ended up doing was buying chain. And while this is great, it's not really what I wanted. I need to have some necklace extenders. So I've got my lobster clasp, I've got the chain, and I've got some jump rings. So as you can tell here, my clasp and the chain, like this clasp will not go into this chain, right? Like the links aren't big enough. Well, they could, but it would be very tough. No, they don't. Oh, they do. Okay, but it would be very tough. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our lemons into lemonade. So what you're going to need is you're going to need tools. You're going to need your chain. You're going to need jump rings, and you're going to need clasps and a measuring tape or a ruler or something like that. Okay, and we're going to start that in just a moment. Hi everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today we are going to be making necklace extenders. So you're going to need chain, you're going to need your clasps, and you're going to need your jump rings. So I think today what we're going to do is we're going to use this size jump ring, and we're going to need, well, I'll just put a few out so I can use them as I go. So we're going to start by taking our measuring tape, and you know, maybe a ruler would be the better way to go. And we're going to measure out roughly, it doesn't have to be exact, but roughly 1 inch of chain, okay? So I'm just going to pinch it there. Then I'm going to take my tools and the chain. You know what? I'm going to take my flush cutters. I'm just going to cut this link. Oh, come on now. There we go. Sorry, I'm working around a camera, so it's a bit of a challenge. So we're going to cut that link. There we go. And then we're going to take one of our jump rings. Sorry, so there's the chain that I cut. It's in 1 inch length. We're going to take a jump ring. We're going to open it. When you open your jump rings, you always open them sideways. We're going to take the chain and we're going to put it on the jump ring. Then we'll close it up. Oops. Close it up. Sorry. Again, I'm working around a camera. Let me just zoom in. Okay, so we are just closing that jump ring, okay? So there we go. We have one closed jump ring on the chain. We're going to put a jump ring on the other side. So again, we are going to open our jump ring. Always open them sideways. We are going to put on this chain on the other end, okay? So we've got a jump ring at one end and we want this jump ring at the other end. Close your jump ring. Okay. And now cut another inch of chain and meet me back. Okay, so I cut another inch of chain. So notice this one doesn't, oh, that's the other one. Okay, this one doesn't have any jump rings yet. So I'm gonna put a jump ring on one end, and I'm going to attach the clasp to the jump ring to the chain. So let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna open our jump ring. Open our jump ring, okay? We're gonna take our clasp. We're attaching our clasp. We're attaching the new piece of chain. And we're closing that up. Okay. Make sure it's nice and closed. Okay. And then, I guess we closed that one too soon. We're just gonna go and open one of the jump rings. And we're gonna attach this other chain. The struggle is real. It's so hard when you're working around a camera. And I highly recommend, I highly recommend, so now I dropped both of them off. There we go. And then we take this one and we put it on. There we go. I highly recommend doing this not around a camera. Anyway, guys, this is what we've ended up with. So we've got two places an inch apart where they can attach the clasp. Okay, I know I've got a clasp on here, but this is if you're making an extender for an already made necklace, okay? If you're making it for yourself, you would have the clasp on one end of the necklace and the extender just hanging with the jump rings. So that is how you make your own necklace extenders, okay? Just like this. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Check my description. I put all kinds of goodies in the description. So there you have it, guys. Have a great day. Bye now.